Amigos, señor Davis, y son las instrucciones para hoy, el 5 de enero. Pues vamos a practicar los pretéritos irregulares más con conjuguemos y una tarea de tabla. So for conjuguemos, make sure you first log in. If you don't log in, then I can't verify that you actually practiced on the assignment, so make sure you do so. And then you're going to practice for at least 10 minutes. There's a minimum number of questions that you have to answer in 10 minutes. So please make sure it's nothing like huge, but it's enough to make sure that you're not just letting the clock go. And then once you've done that for 10 minutes, please come back here and click Submit Assignment. And then secondly, you're going to do a table worksheet. So we did this before with regular preterites, same kind of thing here. I know it looks like a really big table, and it is, but it's practicing conjugating each of these irregular preterites, and it's very important that you know how to do that. So we have the verb on the left. You're going to conjugate it in 5 forms. Make sure you're paying attention to if it's a stem changing verb or a irregular stem verb. So stem changing, those are the verbs that are stem changing in present tense that also have a stem change in the preterite. They use regular preterite endings, but they have a stem change in the el, ella, and the ellos, ustedes forms. The irregular stem preterites are the ones that change the entire portion of the verb and have irregular endings as well, such as tener, estar, poder, etc. So make sure you're paying attention to which type of verb that is. Use accents where necessary. Stem changing verbs have accents. Irregular stems do not. Now, if you do this table, it's a big table, I understand, and you don't do well on it, go back and do it again. If you do it and make a mistake here or there, maybe it's just a typographical error or something like that, and you don't feel you need to come back and do it a second time, I understand. But if you're missing critical information, you're not doing it correctly, you totally conjugated things incorrectly, go back and do it a second time. I open these up for you to do twice so that you can get them right and have a better grade. So please go back and do that so that you're getting the correct practice. Make sure you're checking your answers after you submit it the first time so that you can see what you did right and what you did wrong. And then once you're done with that, you're done for today. We're going to have this quiz on Viernes, Friday, this week. So make sure you're practicing knowing which verbs are stem changers, which are irregular stem, what endings they use, and all of that. If you have any preguntas, let me know. Adios.